Ready, girl? All right.
Frankie the refrigerator, ate in the refrigerator. Set a camera, try and catch her. Frankie the refrigerator, ate in the refrigerator. Set a camera, try and catch her. Opened up the refrigerator door, not knowing what for she was looking. Her drooling jaw just dropped and hit the floor when she saw that rotisserie chicken. Frankie the refrigerator, ate in the refrigerator. Set a camera, try and catch her. Frankie, we can't do this anymore. You're going to consume the whole kitchen. Got your little fridge with the little door. Now Frankie the refrigerator always has a mission. Frankie the refrigerator,